Hey guys, what's going on? I got a bike check for you today. It's a United Recruit RN2 2010 or 11, forget what it is. I got the Animal Edwin De La Rosa grips, pretty comfortable. I got the Odyssey ODI bar ends, Eastern, I think, array or something. Front load stem. I got stock bars. The forks are stock. Hubs are stock. Rim stock. The tires, they're fucking dyno. They're off like a Walmart bike, but they're sick as fuck for tread. And they're good for doing like rollouts and bunny hops and J hops. And I got McNeil valve caps, stock forks, like I said. I have DMR bikes pedals. The crank stock. I got the Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. Shadow Conspiracy crank and bone chain wheel. A stolen plastic pivotal with a Thermalite seat post in there. She comes with brakes, but I took them off. I got McNeil valve cap in the back. 9-tooth driver. Ratio's 25:9. Frame stock. I'm probably gonna upgrade to a fit Edwin V3 frame eventually. I got United sealed top end. Overall, it's a pretty good bike. Had it for about 2 years now, or whatever the model is, and she didn't fail me once, so yeah, United is the way to go. Anyways, catch you guys.